Hydrogen has been used for decades, even centuries. Jules Verne was saying that hydrogen is the future, so it's come back a long time ago. And today, industries are already using hydrogen, but they are using hydrogen with a lot of CO2 emissions. So today, the use of hydrogen from natural gas, from coal, is emitting, in terms of CO2, the same amount that Indonesia and UK are doing today. So one thing first is to have green hydrogen, to reduce the CO2 emission of this hydrogen. That should be the newest thing that we should work on. How to have this hydrogen, this green hydrogen, used in different applications to decarbonize the other application. So we can talk about mobility, cars, trucks, buses, boat, train. We can talk about electricity, so to remove some thermal power plant, diesel engine. We can talk about natural gas for heating the houses. So when we will have this green hydrogen affordable and available, what's going to be new is that the market where this green hydrogen will be used, and the fact that decarbonation will be ongoing with green hydrogen. Yeah, it's definitely ready. Once again, it's been used for decades. The main driver today is that everyone understands that there is this climate change issue, and everyone understands that we could have green hydrogen at affordable price. So investments are there, industries are there, customers are there, so everyone is working in the same direction. For me, the biggest challenge will be, like electricity, to be in a position to make production and demand fit at any time. Meaning hydrogen production will be done somewhere, will be competitive because it will come from renewable energy, which are very cheap today. All the electrolysis process will be competitive as well, so the hydrogen will be cheaper in a few years from now than the hydrogen today coming from coal and natural gas. How I make this hydrogen usable from the other side of the planet. So how do I transport this hydrogen without losing too much energy and without adding too much cost on the hydrogen production cost? The real challenge will be to be in a position to transport the hydrogen and to transport hydrogen at a competitive price in order for the final user to have green hydrogen cheaper. You are working in different activities. It is very good that all those people can meet and exchange about first their activities and what they are doing. And I was discussing with some people from Sener, and they were telling me that the CSP story of Sener came from the aerospace. Because in the aerospace, you were using molten salt. The people from aerospace discussed with the people from energy and said, okay, we could use the molten salt in energy. And the story of CSP started like that. So this is exactly the right forum to have those ideas, to get those innovations coming up.